I must hurry. Here you go, little birds. Now to play. I promise to help them. I should manage my time better. I should move calmly and carefully. I made it on time!
Happy birds eating, Calico Kitten smiling, peaceful morning, joyful kids cartoon.
Being on time is important. Being on time is being responsible.